With your keyboard, press on the Windows key and the X button at the same time. Then use the arrow keys to scroll down and then click on Enter on Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens up, you want to click on the Tab key on your keyboard. Then you want to scroll down using the arrow keys until we find mice and other pointing devices. Then you want to use the right arrow key to expand it. Then you want to use the down arrow key. You want to find the mouse that you're having a problem with. Then you want to click on Enter on your keyboard to open it up. Then you want to click on the Tab key until General right here is selected. There will be a box appearing over it. And then use the arrow key, the right arrow key, which will take you to Driver. Then you want to click on Enter again to uninstall your device. I'm not going to do it because it's working for me, but you do it. Then once you do that, you want to restart your computer. So once it's been uninstalled, click on Alt F4 on your keyboard to close everything out. Click on it multiple times so that everything closes out. Then you want to click on the Windows button on your keyboard and then click on Tab until it goes into your username. And then you want to click on the right arrow key, click on Enter, and then select Restart. Then the problem should be fixed.